Hi, I'm Allie.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we are here from Potomac Beads to introduce to you, as well as ourselves, the newest line of kind of findings to go along with check beads, the cymbal beads.
Cymbal beads.
Cymbals. So the cymbals
Yes.
you want to think of as metal components that are going to accompany a lot of the check
with a lot of your
beads.
2-hole beads, yeah.
And you can work with them with 1-hole beads too, thinking like
Yep.
a lot of these little hang down places. You could put just teardrops
These actually
in.
work with Minos.
Those, yeah, so those work with the
so
1-hole
those-
Minos.
mhm.
I think they highlight and where they really shine is the idea of using them at the ends of the projects.
Yes, that's what a lot of them are.
Yeah, and I think the ends of the project, it comes up great. And they're designed for specific beads. But again, watch those Better Beader episodes because you can see, oh, if I was looking at the cymbal that fits diamond duos or gem duos, what else could also fit in there?
Right, yeah. So we have here some ends, so you'd put these together, put your clasp on there. And I just strung a few of those gem duos on there, and I think you've got something similar going on here, so you can see the way that they just kind of seamlessly just integrate with the beads that you have. So you have that jagged edge, and they just kind of cap that on. So just like a little cap or a hat, just fitting right on there.
And it's
just
less
like a
thinking
glove,
than
yeah.
like how many seed beads do I need to put in, or how can I start this peyote or this herringbone stitch. And working with super duos or mini duos, as well as even some of our Ava beads and metal ones as well as endings, caps, and then we have the Tila ones too as the connectors.
Yeah, so these pieces are really sculpted to fit that shape beads perfectly and get them to line up. So with this one for the Tila, you put that Tila in there, and then it automatically has your holes line up for your next row. So very clever.
So yeah, it lines up right to the holes of the beads. And think in mind too, again, when you're looking at these, check out those Better Beader episodes. They're going to come labeled on the site as, you know, super duo or gem duo.
Right.
You know, but you can use the SOs with them. You can use the other ones with them.
We'll include in there which bead it's specifically supposed to fit.
Correct.
What the manufacturer had in mind, and then you can go from there.
Yeah, and keep in mind other ones can fit in. And the same with, I just wanted to point out that in addition to the cymbal line of beads, we also have the Potomac's line, which a lot of these will work nicely with. So we have the idea here of this towpath bracelet that you designed that has kind of the snake trio.
Yeah, so snake trio with that curve, that S shape, and it cups around that round duo pretty snugly.
And the same idea with the bow trios and working with the halo beads, whether or not it's kind of that rounded halo bead with 1 or 2 holes, or even the super duo halos. Kind of thinking about mixing those metals, getting your beading basically a little bit more visually appealing, where you're having that mix of metals and it's more of an actual kind of mixed media project.
Yeah, and you're kind of having that ready-made bezel to...
Exactly, and I think the cymbals really shine at the top and the ends, looking great on earrings that I've seen them down or right at the clasp or closure, more so than I would say the Potomac's, which we usually are concentrating kind of being part of the design rather than the end of the design. So I think you can work with them really nicely together and check out both of those cymbals as well as the Potomac's, see those different beads, and think about them too that they are all kind of made or manufactured to go with the multi-hole beads, but they don't necessarily need to go with the multi-hole beads.
No.
Look at other beads, put in other ones, and kind of take the fun from there. If you do need any cymbals, remember that we're happy to help you.
Yeah, so we have links below to the products, so just click on Show More, and you'll have links to the cymbals, as well as we'll throw in some of those Potomac's products in there so you can find all of it.
And then also give us a little thumbs up and like our videos. You can comment below with what patterns you've done or which ways you've used the cymbals and how you like them.
Share your pictures on Facebook.
Exactly, and join into this beading community. Remember, you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel to get regular updates from us on products and different things that are coming out of the beading world, as well as exclusive things to hear at Potomac Beads. As always, thanks so much and enjoy playing around with, I know we're going to, with the new cymbals.
Cymbals.